Hey, it's Kevin Fitzpatrick. I'm on Governor's Island, and I'm working today on the second to last step of the Governor's Island World War I Memorial Project. Today we're reinstalling 3 World War I memorials, and they're going to be dedicated this weekend at World War I weekend. And behind me is Hay Road for Private Merle David Hay, one of the first 3 Americans killed in the war, November 3rd, 1917. It's a really exciting day for me today because this has been a long time coming. I really want to thank the Trust for Governor's Island and the National Park Service and Peaceable Kingdom Memorials for helping me realize this dream of getting these 3 memorials restored. I can't wait for everyone to come out to see them.
Get your gun, get your gun, get your gun. Take it on the run, on the run, on the run. Hear them calling you and me, everyone for liberty. Hurry right away, no delay, start today. Make your daddy glad to have had such a lad. Tell your